Hey everyone, in today's video I'll guide you on how to set up Roblox Studio on your iPad. The process is super simple and quick. Start by opening your preferred browser, whether it's Safari, Chrome, or any other. For this demonstration, I'll be using Safari. So before we start, if you're new here and find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Next, head to the URL bar and type create.roblox.com, which is the official site for Roblox Studio. Once the site loads, you can log into your Roblox account. Just tap on the login option, enter your credentials, and sign in. After you're logged in, you'll be on the Roblox Studio page. Here's what you do next. Tap on the share icon in Safari. A menu will pop up. Scroll down and select Add to Home Screen. You'll see a default name, Roblox Creator Hub. You can either keep this name or customize it to your liking. After that, just tap Add, and you're done. Now when you check your home screen, you'll find the Roblox Creator Hub icon. Clicking on it will take you directly to Roblox Studio via your browser. This is a fantastic alternative since there's no official Roblox Studio app for the iPad. If you search the App Store, you'll only find the Roblox game app, not the Studio version. That's it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to drop them in the comments. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.